Hey guys, so welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my vlog. Go check out Alana Vlogs. I just shouted you out, so be quiet. Go check out Alana Vlogs. She won't shut the hell up. So we're over here. And bruh.
Hey, go look at my YouTube channel, Alana Vlogs. Yeah, go. Hi.
Everyone's face is blur. And Kaden. So fireworks are going off, so I'm gonna start filming the fireworks, okay? Filming the fireworks.
Don't land on my dick like that. I like how you're sitting.
Okay, I'm gonna warm up my iPad.
Can I ride down the hill?
You'll break it too.
Oh, darn it. I want to ride down the hill, but they won't let me.
Come on, fireworks! It's Mr. Steal Girl. See my pinky, see my thumb, see my fist, you better run. Wait, come back. You need a tic-tac. Not one, not two, but the whole six-pack. Not trying to be mean, but you need some Listerine.
Shut up. You need to stop.
Are you on the background?
No.
Nope.
Is your girl booty flat? No. I have like a It's a song!
You can't see it, but it's Alana.
Listen.
Because Alana's a girl. Turn around.
Be in the vlog.
Run you over. Should I keep stop? Listen to this. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, one went
Feels
over.
weird. Get your hands off my butt. Buddy, listen. This is Kaden. This is what I was saying.
I know.
Just listen.
I'm listening. Where was that? I'm gonna start back up when there are fireworks going off. Sorry, it's blurry. I don't know. It just doesn't work. Well, that's weird. Hey, where'd the fireworks go? Fine. Yeah. Get you guys back when the fireworks really go in. I'm right under it. I was right under these.
Look at me, come secret. Oh! Listen, girl.
That wasn't good. There is nothing. Hey guys, I got this. Now it's so bright.
Grab the pink one.
Fireworks were going off. Wow.
Here, swing it.
What?
Well, the fireworks need to start back up. It's alright. Saw one. Got a sparkler. Next video.
That's it for the fireworks?
Bye guys, next video.